friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. Everything is going really great at Walgreens, so go out and buy a lottery ticket, go put your coat on and get out to the pharmacies. Register rewards, Walgreens cash, everything is working. But before you head out, you might want to put in an order through the app or through your desktop computer for one free 8x10 print. You got to use this code RABBITPRINT. It's one per card. And you get an 8x10 print, and this one turned out really well. We have a lot of barn cats that live near our home. We live rural, so my husband took a couple snapshots of some of the cats that show up to get fed, and this is a cute little guy. He looks a lot like our cat Gizmo, but he is just absolutely adorable. Rabbit print is one word, and remember to pick it up at store. The next deal that we have for everybody that has to put together an Easter basket, this is a very sweet deal for you, all puns intended. So this is a sweet deal of the week or sweet of the week. We're going to grab 2 of these Kisses, the Easter ones, specifically has to. Now we're going to load the following digitals that include an IVC, along with the digital manufacturer, so you can either scan from the Big Book of Savings or load it digitally. Here's the math for this one. 2 bags of those Kisses. Remember, we're grabbing the Easter-themed ones. That is $4.98, subtracting the dollar IVC, the dollar manufacturer digital. You're paying $2.98 for the 2 bags, or $1.49 each. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this sweet little deal. The following deals I'm going to show you are just broken up deals. I did a $50 basket, but I'm going to show you little bibs and bobs if you don't wish to do a very monstrous basket. So the first one is with the Scott paper towel. It is $5. We have a $1.25 IVC, and then Fetch Rewards has this massive progressive of spend 50, get back 15. So I grabbed 2. Crazy cat lady over here. So I go through a lot of paper towels. So 2 for $10. Which is a really great price point for paper products this week. And on page 6, we have this. So you're going to get the cashier to scan this guy. And as I'm buying 2, I'm getting $2.50 off. It'll apply twice. It's either for the paper towel or the toilet paper, those 2 only. Grabbing 2 of them for $10. Scan that IVC once, $2.50 is coming off. I'm paying $7.50. Now, if I'm not doing this deal with a booster, yes, I can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Just to note that. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. So check this out, guys. Spend $50 in Kimberly-Clark, and yes, I got a couple of bucks tracking towards that. I'm going to get back $15. And this is the beauty of the Fetch Rewards app. It's a very easy app to use. You photograph receipts, you get points towards gift cards. It's a very easy process. For new signups, if you've been kind of like, I don't want something else on my phone, but yet I want to save money, download this app today, guys. And when you photograph your first receipt, an Egg McMuffin you bought last week or a pack of gum you bought this morning, you're given $2 with my referral code linked in the notes. This is a superb app. I have been using this app I think since 2017 or 18. Do love, and this makes me really excited to spend $50 on paper products and get back $15. I mean, that's pretty amazing. The next little dealio that we have is with the Colgate toothpaste. If you're doing this with a booster, absolutely, or if you're not about paying for toothpaste, I would pass on it. But for some of you that, can see the value in this, by all means, this is a deal I would do. So the Colgate is priced at $3.99, and as you can see from the tag, guys, earn $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So they have a whole host of them, Optic White, which is a really fancy one. So grabbing 2 of them, you're going to also make sure that you have this guy loaded, which is a 3 off of 2. And this popped up this morning. Here's the mathematics for this one. 2 tubes at $3.99 is $7.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it 98 cents for the 2. If you're not using a booster with this deal, yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash. So I know 49 cents per tube when we usually get this for free. For a lot of you, this is a big old pass. But if you're doing it, maybe in a larger basket, you'll have to pay the balance. But this would, take up almost $8 of your basket. Okay, so something happened this morning with the Bulldog. We got a 7 off 2 digital, and I believe this is on the same promotion as the Dove body wash. So I opted for this one instead of the Dove. I thought it would be a better deal for me because the digital coupon is such a great value. And just to show you the tag, $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 participating Bulldog products. This may or may not be the same as the Dove. You'll have to look at the tags, but I thought because of the high value of this digital coupon, this was a product I wanted to get. And my husband really likes this product too. So we never see digitals this high for this specific product. Here it is, a 7 off 2, and we have 2 weeks to use this, so I would absolutely use it. You can use it on shaving products or like a beard balm or a body wash. I went for the body wash. Grabbing 2 of the men's Bulldog body washes, that's $14.98. Subtracting that 7 off of 2 digital, you're paying $7.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per body wash. If you're not using this with a booster, yes, you can absolutely use Walgreens cash. You could spend it to earn it for this one. And just to note something, guys, I did this with the Colgate in the same basket and got $4 back for both, so it's not on the same promotion. And where do you find this body wash? Good question. Look for it where the men's shaving, like the razors and all that stuff, that's where they have it. They don't have it with the regular body wash in the store. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some boosters. So when I first got to the store, I bought a newspaper hoping and praying one of these would pop out of the machine, and one did. This one, which is to spend $50, get back $10. This is the paper booster that you can stack with the digital booster. So I'm going to spend $50 and get back $15. So that's what I'm working with today. So what I did, guys, was I got a pretty big basket going for me, just stuff that I thought would be really useful. Just to show you my basket, 2 paper towels, 2 tubes of toothpaste, 2 Bulldogs, and to get that basket right to $50, I have 4 beautiful Gain flings. So the promotion with the flings, it's either the Gain detergent, these flings, the Bounty paper towel, or the Charmin toilet paper. So there's a whole host of products, but I went for 4 like products this go around. And it is to buy 4 of these, get back a $5 register reward. And yes, that did in fact print for me. So that was kind of awesome. Now I also had 2 sets of a $4 and a $5 register reward from last week. And I threw in times 2. So I used 2 $4 and 2 $5. These are manufacturer register rewards. Yes, I can use them with this deal to get my out of pocket like a lot lower. And that's what I did. So just to go through what I got 2 of the Colgates for $7.98, 4 Gain Fling products for $21.96, 2 Scott paper towels for $10, and 2 Bulldog body washes for $14.98. So the total there is $54.92. I got the cashier to scan the IVC for the paper towel. $2.50 came off. My new total is $52.42. Let's go to the next page. Okay, so the beautiful total is $52.42. Now, I got the cashier to scan that booster that came out of the Catalina machine, the paper one, and I also had my booster loaded. And then remember, I have a 7 off of 2 digital loaded for the Bulldog body wash, and then a 3 off of 2 for the Colgate. That's $10 right there, guys. Plus, I had 2 sets of the 5 and the 4. So that's times 2. 9 times 2 is $18 of manufacturer register rewards. You can use the manufacturer register rewards. You cannot use the store ones. So I was able to use 4 of those. So I had to pay $24.42 with my debit card as I'm using 2 spend boosters. I got back $23 in Walgreens cash, $10 for the $50 booster, $5 for the $20 booster, 4 for Colgate, and then 4 for Bulldog, plus a $5 register reward for the Gain. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance for this one, or it will mess things up. Okay, guys, and just to show you, here is my $5 register reward from the Gain. So, yep, it did print. So that was really, really cool. What a great day over at Walgreens. Okay, now we're going to talk about a little bit of clearance that I found. I didn't buy any of the candy. You know, I'm like, I'm Miss Keto. All I do is talk about my keto diet, and I don't want this delicious temptation in the house. A lot of these little fun sizes are 50% off, so maybe it'll drop a little bit more on a Tuesday or a Saturday, whatever your day clears. And clearance is always your mileage may vary, but if you're in the store, you know, looking around or at least getting your free print today, you might want to look through the candy aisle and look for these little fun sizes. A lot of them are 50% off. If you're really trying to make something special with some Easter baskets on the cheap, definitely go to Walgreens and do that Kisses deal. And then if you can find some cheaper candy, like this is Hershey's, it's really nice stuff. I would absolutely, see what they have, and maybe you can find some like nice little things for an Easter gift or an egg hunt or something like that. And we have Reese's as well. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.